Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you're staying at a Disneyland Restored hotel, the Disneyland mobile app lets you charge eligible dining and shopping purchases directly to your hotel room. Once you have completed hotel check-in and provided an approved credit card, you can use the app to display a barcode that participating locations scan to add purchases to your room bill. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to charge purchases to your room in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for enjoying a cash-free Disneyland vacation. So first thing, open the Disneyland app or Disneyland mobile app, sign into your Disney account, verify your hotel reservation like before using room charging, open my hotel reservation, confirm your reservation is linked to your account, and make sure you have completed online check-in or checked in at the front desk. Okay, open charge to to hotel room inside your hotel reservation, tap charge or hotel room. Okay, wait for room charge barcode to appear. This barcode will be used to complete eligible purchases. Make your purchase at a participating location. Tell the cast member you would like to charge the purchases or the purchase to your room. Present the barcode from the Disneyland app and allow the cast member to scan it. Okay, so the purchase will be charged to your hotel room account. Review your charge or your charges after your purchase. Return to your hotel reservation if needed and review your room accounts or purchase history. Okay, so you can keep track of your eligible room charges throughout your stay. Okay, and settle your hotel bill at the end of your stay. Your room charges will be added to your hotel account and the approved payments method provided during check-in will be used according to your hotel billing arrangements. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.